Now I want to go ahead again and create a new layer, and this time around I still need to select my brush tool, okay, and make sure the foreground color this time around is white. Decrease the size of my brush, and this time around I want to click here many times to make the moon to be sharpened inside the cloud. Now that we have it like this, I need to go ahead again and select this man. This is the layer of the man, and now I want to go ahead and add another levels. Make sure it's clipped to the man and increase the highlight to something like this. And once it's like this, I want to hit on the layer mask and hit on Ctrl I to invert the selection, to invert the color. Now I want to hit on B from my keyboard, hit on Ctrl+0, decrease the size of my brush, decrease the size of my brush like this, and make sure the foreground color is white, and this part should be white as well. Okay, let's add some of the color we erased. Let's increase the opacity. Okay, this is the hand, this is the face. Let's increase this part. On the thigh, on the laps, and on this side there should be light as well. There should be light here on both hands, on the face, this part of the hair, on this side. Okay, there should be light here, the two laps. Okay, side of here, and there should be light here. There should be light on the face, obviously. Okay, and on the hand, Ctrl+1. Okay, there is sunlight. There is sunlight. It's making sense. It's coming to life. Now I want to go ahead again and add another layer. Oops, this layer should not be here. Delete. I want the layer to be above every other thing. I can select the moon that we make again, double click on the layer to have the layer style, and once I have the layer style like this, I want to come back to the outer glow, and the color, I want to choose the color to be white. Okay, and this is what I'm after, and the spread should be 0. Okay, just okay, this is what I want to achieve. The size should spread out little, just like this, and hit on OK. If we check the before and the after, yeah, there's little change. Okay, I know I can just use moon here, but I don't just want to use moon. I just want to have this type of effect.